Let me put it this way. I can claim this is the most delicious and elegant cabbage roll I have ever made. It's a combination of Iranian and Turkish cabbage rolls, which is also much healthier than grape leaf dolma. It's a vegetarian dish that doesn't need meat. My husband, who doesn't usually eat dolma but enjoyed 3 large ones, so you should understand how delicious this dolma can be. By the way, I put a lot of effort into preparing, recording, and editing this recipe for you, so I would really appreciate it if you watch the video until the end, like it, and most importantly, definitely make this dish. Let's get started. This time for the cabbage rolls, I used Savoy cabbage because its leaves are much easier to fold without breaking. I also don't throw away the core of the cabbage. I chop it finely and use it instead of meat in the cabbage filling. By the way, I couldn't resist showing you these dishes. I bought this dinnerware set and the bowls. Just look at how lively and vibrant the colors are. I can confidently say these are the highest quality earthenware dishes that will last you a lifetime and are very stylish and beautiful. I will put the link to these lovely dishes in the description box and in the first comment. Okay, first we prepare the dolma filling, which is super easy. In a pan, sauté the onion, and once it softens a bit, add the finely chopped core of the cabbage. Sauté for a while, and then add the tomato paste and sauté for a few more seconds until the paste releases its color. Then add the rice that we soaked beforehand. It's better to use short grain rice for this recipe. Add salt and black pepper powder and sauté for a bit. After that, turn off the heat and add the rest of the filling ingredients with the heat off, which includes dried mint, fresh parsley, and pomegranate molasses, and mix well. By the way, I have put all the necessary ingredient amounts in the video description box. Okay, our filling is ready. Let's move on to the cabbage leaves. Once the water boils in the pot, reduce the heat and add the cabbage leaves. Let them sit for 10 minutes to soften. While the leaves are softening, I prepare the dolma sauce. Tomato puree plus oil, white vinegar, and sugar or plant-based sweetener. Stir and let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Once it thickens, taste it and adjust the sweetness and sourness of the sauce according to your preference. Here, you can add more vinegar or sugar if you like. Once the cabbage leaves are ready, take them out and drain them in a colander, and then start wrapping the dolmas. Wrapping dolma leaves with this type of cabbage leaf is very easy, and you no longer need to worry about the dolmas cracking or tearing because the leaves are thicker than regular cabbage leaves, and in my opinion, they are also tastier. Arrange the dolmas side by side in a pot and pour the sauce over them. Place a plate upside down on top of the dolmas to prevent them from opening during cooking, and let them cook on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. The best part of these dolmas is the garnishing, which makes their taste twice as delicious. Some Greek yogurt. Arrange the dolmas around the yogurt. A few pieces of Italian sun-dried tomatoes, chili flakes or paprika, dried parsley, and it's ready. I don't think I need to describe how delicious it is anymore. The picture says it all. Be sure to make it and enjoy in advance.